For the last time, Ubayana Sawunya.
No.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Mamin can be being shop. So we see NCB Mudia and your so-called girlfriend. So if you come by me, make a baby at so we are the nine and so what did you and I said me be sounds so open me for Susa. I said the media. Fine. With also mammy and Matty. Hello, dear. Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hello. I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine. You're looking good.
Thank you.
Anyway, I like your hair.
Thank you.
Okay. By the way, my name is Mavis.
I'm Dolphin.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Likewise.
I would like to have you as a friend if you don't mind.
Please. I'm very sorry. Friends.
Yeah.
Like how?
I like your personality and I would like to be a friend if you don't mind.
You know something? I have a serious boyfriend and I don't do women.
No. Far from that, dear. You're getting me wrong. Just a female friend as in bestie, like, yeah.
Just like your star. No, they know about.
I just want us to be like female bestie. I just like your style, your move, like, and you're a very decent girl. Yeah.
Thank you.
Please, can I get your number?
Sure.
Thanks for being nice.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Hi, wow. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine. Wednesday.
And why this?
Wednesday me free away we always say the say ending komo kakra.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The thing is, I've been sacked from my house.
Like how? What happened?
I have issue with my landlord. And as I'm speaking to you right now, I'm homeless. If you didn't help me, I don't know where I'm going to spend the night.
You're homeless?
Yes.
But you know, I stay here with my man. You know, I stay here with my boyfriend. And we are also living in a single room, self-contained. How can we help you? So how can we accommodate you?
Please, Dolphin, you are the only friend that I have. If you do not help me, I don't know what I would do. Like, I don't know how my life will be for this very moment. Please, just for 2 weeks, I'll try to gather myself.
You know something? Let me consult my boyfriend and get back to you right now.
Thank you very much. Please do.
I'll be back.
Thank you.
Yeah, who was that?
Babe, it's a friend of mine.
A friend?
Yes. I want to discuss something with you.
All right, sir.
Babe, you know something? This friend of mine have been sacked from the house where she rented. And she needs a place to stay for the moment, for just 2 weeks. Then she goes.
Into place Ben, I hope I will stay for 2 weeks now.
Babe, here, let's help her out.
No.
I'm the only friend she has.
Wait. Well, when you say, hi, yes, yeah, then find you before Frocayon.
Babe, I know. Bet now and Chessa just for 2 weeks. Babe, please just do this for me. Please, just 2 weeks. I promise. Babe, just for 2 weeks. I promise.
All right. When you say any part that's an idiot, when you got 2 weeks, when you ba, no one say you okay. That's to say, need to acquire the. Baby, no acquire any pabonini.
I understand, but please, just 2 weeks. 2 weeks, pa. Then she leaves.
All right. I'm doing all these things because of you.
I know, right?
Okay.
You're such a darling.
Right.
I'm coming.
I love you.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay.
Oh, thank you. I love it.
Well, you said just 2 weeks, right?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, you're such a darling. I love you so much. Oh, it's such
So,
a nice...
girl, Charlie, make yourself comfortable. Babe, that's it. That's it. Why are you not responding?
Babe. We want to meet.
But why?
Want to meet her, man.
Do you both know each other already or something?
No.
So what's going on here, babe? I already spoke to you and you accepted it.
Babe, said you now obaya all canona, meaning say ni pebia, like said you waiting there.
Wait, what do you mean by minim say ni pebi? I don't want
said you obe kind meaning say be bia like I feel no person west so person bob bread. I say, oh, you're bad, yeah. Now wait there, so obey me, I rent it.
Babe, are you serious? Or Ben, man, I made number my boyfriend out. Like, what are you saying? Stop this if you are joking.
Baby, and can't die, and you're saying, I can regain it. We were torn bit me out of the rent.
Please. I just asked you for a favor. Don't describe her for me. She's my only friend. Please.
Please. I won't keep you just 2 weeks.
Yes, babe.
I'm having a problem with my land.
You know what?
I will say you want me hide. Want me hide.
But I just say me hide them. Me me fear running kasa. Me did not rent control until 2 weeks.
And you go bush for this 2 weeks now.
Oh, babe. Why disgracing her? Stop this already.
Baby. So who said in the Casemwa, only Subai? Obi ultimately no fear, will be a wabble blessed die. What to me the nickel rent control?
It's no more, babe. Please. It's okay. Don't find my boyfriend. Okay, let's go. Yes, make yourself comfortable, okay?
Such a nice place.
Yeah. Mama, why are you doing inside? Mama, I'm back home.
Now, who are not some American? We could see them.
Hasembe, Mama.
You say, Umbra will change with cookies and let baby,
Mama, me, you're sorry, but Madam for be a better name in chain.
Mommy.
Why won't worry and what for better now in chain?
Mammy, was no young boy.
Just
for 2 weeks, and me some better name in chain kakra. Now 2 weeks no draw no call.
It's a woman I know what down for. Mine and who here?
Mamma won't see us, you also know what you know. So you have to understand.
Now, what you know, thing.
Or say, on any fear and ya casacasi be. Until the inferior now call baby say, it's your money 2 weeks. It's a 2 weeks no draw.
Oh, Dabby. Wouldn't you
know what down for?
Wouldn't you? I know what down for. Eh, she are down for 7. She pa.
Mammy, but 2 weeks pepe into the control. I should 2 weeks.
Wouldn't you get to we real square my catch yourself. All about China was what down for tea. Am I number?
Mammy, I know Cassa to say, men Pessaminian better than mention.
David,
you're making me feel bad. Stop it already.
David, and Cassasa.
I'm sorry.
You get to and what down for?
Mammy, Messi or better than mention for just 2 weeks. And the 2 weeks no swam, Manaba.
2 weeks, Naba. It's on now. Uncle 2 weeks.
Mampa,
only Juma, on Bobria or Tiffany.
Sister Mew.
Meaning so we are minia.
Sister, unim bibi Miss Shrew. Said them one a minya da bro. I would Mr. Valanda Hokra, Medana Media page. Man, this is me. Mr. Patrol.
Wow, you mean Yamima Beda Valanda? Are you okay? Just 2 weeks. Now, but your mother, Mr. Before
I'm in your shoe. Debbie, I'm sorry, I'm in a master of your Mary school chair.
Don't you trust me?
Sister,
just give me 2 weeks. I'll come and pick you up. I promise.
I down for 4. I down for Sam.
Mommy, my late in patrol.
I down for Sam.
So I'll see you guys, okay, Mommy?
To you. Hey, to you.
Mommy, say what did you know?
Santua. I want you to ask to say you from me. Because me, she said, mission by anything. A dead panty and our Wababes movie.
Ah, Nick. Who to me besides Samo? I'm compass will be so old himself a dog. When him say, I'm a command of me go so trim out. It's other now, yes, sir. What you want to say? Wouldn't be Bilby, I mean, no Baba consult to almost idea.
Asantua, you see a mre as a son, also say sound. Those days, and I'm a near fra, my dream, many men see so, and I'm better out to me also. And then send many, many be many acting, moving on. I didn't know when you have my life for mammy.
So, you got me pregnant. Because I would say my brother. Who catch him say near Master Son? Yes. And no can no Master Son. It's not one who said Master Son location about location. Sanka near Master Son can mean behind him say. First.
There you. Me kwa many bema ba kwa me what wiase ana. Many bema me was as isuba. Me kwa many bema wo dom ye ana.
Debbie, but wouldn't bema will save me life. Aye.
Okay, you be person me catch on say. They say Messi or Bar me done. Oh, not to done. Obi a what him say.
Oh.
Say me mo
Nick, do you know what is sharing? There is love in sharing. Many will be uncomfortable and see a better. So you think you can get me pregnant and leave me with a kid to get engaged with another lady? Ah, Bema Ben and them say, when system na on and you're born 1, born 2. Me na me for born 1 franco man. Born 1 virgin, or be am 1 away, it's 1 of us.
2 person what me say, wow, won't when him I could do it here. Asantua, and I may make a turn. Be was soon let in you. Me say me no to quanta. I had a ya buy me no need you. Me no need you. What's it will be 2 weeks? I got 2 days. I got 2 days.
Mr. Gentleman, share men threaten me. Sound himself from Asantua. Men threaten me, crying to sir, who girl no. Me can't be actually A to Z.
All right.
Aye.
All right. Anyway,
Jammy Pama, Mammy, my dear, Mammy, you said your person me, you do. Yes, I own you. And let me tell you something. She trusts me more than you. So they make her try to be an obey, do what they are saying.
all right. Anyway, I know what to say.
Maybe I know what to say. What Bejina have big, we are what to say. For me, my mini business, I know what to say. And your colony missions, na me be fear. One can by your own child. Who to me, friend, besides say, know what to say. I don't fry, you be one, I said, when was the last time I would fry beside us? And I saw friend said, I know what to say, and I said, then, you know, what Bejina has said, may ban what to say. So you value your relationship more than your own kid, And then Mr. Yeah, cho Nick, yeah, check. Upon Pomino, yeah, check.
Babes, I'm ready.
All right,
So I'm going to get something at the market. I'll be right back.
okay. Yeah, my rent finafa abosoka. Yesu them for no. Na correct that battery back. Why?
Hey. Okay, I've heard you. Sina is around, so she'll take care of you, okay? Be a good boy. Mwah. Don't forget I love you.
I love you too, baby. Auntie gift it, say me chana why.
All right.
Nick.
Edebasa.
Food is ready. Will you eat before or you eat before eating? It's all food, so choose your choice.
I'm okay.
You can't be okay. Besides, your girlfriend is saying I should take care of you. So that's what I'm doing.
Asantwa. She said then I'm going to catch up you.
Okay. Right now, no one say we are, but no one hear me start with like. Show me name.
To who here?
Nick, I didn't tell you difficult, sir. Open said the be a no besha, but I mean Casa, sir. I then. Oh.
Asantwa. I didn't know how person was say my warrior. I didn't know how person what many years so.
Nick. Who Casa to say? So we are the nine with the nine. So what did you home? What did you home out because I Santua? Why do I own so on pen and so open? It was an away own guy beside. Dear young corner.
Tea, make catch up. A happy once. In CB move here. Dan we ya, my man, Timmy and Shaman Hosso, and it be a happy.
Nick, my main cabby being shop. So we see ain't CB mudia, and you so called girlfriend. So if you come by me, make a baby at you are here, and you're expecting me to go out to meet another man. Once you are here, so now catch me. Me to me your bow, me what feelings. Sometimes, and I do me down. My mom says I will new girl, no more down. Now we, so I kind of want to say, hey, Nick. It's only when you don't do to me, and I said me be sound so person me for so sir. I said the Miriam. Fine. We don't also mammy and Matty, me cockroach. Now, so we go on it, but make cabby be a channel. Send me no what back.
Asantwa. I didn't have a show.
Obey Anna for the last time. Obey Anna
Asantwa. Matthias here. Name of fashion trim say, we a last time. A being CBU.
Dolphin, please, I can't sleep in my room.
Well, why can't you sleep?
Mosquitoes everywhere.
I thought we sprayed the room before you slept.
Yes, we did, but
you've been sleeping there for 1 month this.
Dolphin, it's not just the mosquito. I have a bad nightmare.
Hey, Jadi okay kakekan. One kasano. The see when near sister. And then how? Baby, I would that
It's okay, babe.
No.
It's okay.
If it's so bad, yeah, a one would that. Eh? Mosquito spray or fan or a yet debut, a debut pan or what you feel.
It's not just the mosquito. I have a bad dream, nightmare with like.
So what do you want now?
I don't know. I'm seeing spirit ghosts, different type of ghosts.
Seriously? So what do you want now?
Please let me spend the night with you guys.
Hey, Emfa.
Babe, why are you so like anxious like that? I don't get you.
No, until they don't know you will get in.
It's okay, it's nothing. Please, you can join us, okay?
Baby, wait me the one to man answer for more.
No.
Yes, I'm scared.
Okay. Okay, babe, let's sleep. Good night. I don't know whether you people are. Mavis.
Hey, you're back.
What are you hiding from me?
I'm not hiding anything. I'm just dressing up myself.
Are you sure?
Oh, it's nothing.
What?
Oh, it's nothing. Let me have it.
Pregnancy test? Mavis, you are pregnant. Listen, who is responsible for the pregnancy? I thought you told me you don't have a boyfriend. So how come?
No. This is negative. It's not what you're thinking.
Wait, are you trying to tell me I'm a kid or something?
No, but it's not what you're thinking.
Listen, I'm well educated.
Please let me have
You are pregnant, Mavis.
Definitely, don't worry. I'll take care of it. Okay.
Excuse me.
Stations in Africa.
Babe, have you noticed something?
What?
I think my friend is pregnant.
Your friend?
Yes.
Pregnant?
Yes, she's pregnant. Mavis is pregnant. I just saw her holding pregnancy test. I've not seen her with any man before. She doesn't even go out. No one visits her. So how come she got pregnant? Babe, I'm talking to you.
I'm surprised. This girl is very dangerous.
Yes, so because she said she doesn't have a boyfriend.
Baby, you know what?
Tell me.
This is the good news.
Good news?
This is the time for us to get rid of her.
While she's pregnant?
Yes!
I just have to find out from her.
Now watch your nippon.
No, she hasn't said anything. She hasn't said anything to me, but I'll ask her.
Debbie. We will be son of cry, one can create woman show.
Are you sure?
And Yenina way so near Pamon in free fear. And no.
I can't do that in this situation. No. I just came to tell you what I saw. That's what I came to tell you.
That's only Bearman and you won't go Bearman away.
I don't know if I say we World Cup and I'm in the bar in Patrick. Just why?
Oh, Yan no won't and to fear. Only Medriani free or sorry no so light or so fine be beer boom. Pamono.
In this situation, are you serious?
Baby, Mimi they mean to me in Yan money met if you help. No one need Medriani money and send me walk. Na me Yakwalani and come home. If you have tea, or enjoyment, or enjoy no, who can enjoy be?
Babe, Nyabutre, why, Nyabutre man? Maybe I find a back home.
Me they made dinner with some manako.
Hey, I know how fast some way World Cup, sir. Me na me de buy, but Jane Johnson. Why?
Who na de buy? Me they mean to me in Yanka.
Please, I'm coming.
Me won't so, I'm a baby in Yanka. Hey, stand there. Jinahwa. Hey, now a day na person watching.
What do you mean?
A day na one person watching me no. Eh?
At the neck, what condom ya no my dear.
Wo ye frɛ wa santoa wo ba fi ha wa change wo din sɛ ye frɛ den Mavis May hwɛ enye dwuma o ɛdɛn na ɛkɔso
Then I would say koto.
ɛdɛn na metete no
What did you hear?
all right anyway me makoma mu tofe mi do wiase oba pa ho fe wo se onyim ɛyɛ no korɛ
They would say and sap pepper.
Now, how possible? We are denyim. Obi a wo se wo ni boyfriend. Eye den wo nyim yi.
How possible? What to me be one look how possible? Say me then. Now we ya then now we expect to say then beba.
My voice em.
Share my main can't show. And you be a me be fi han one who say be ma be a be sham wo fi hada. And now one who say me see abon to say me kwa ko pebema. E before 17 concern campo na ya wo bi sa me wo han me wi.
Enu nti na menti ase no. Enu ene ma menti ase no. How possible say obi a wo mpie wutimi kwanyem ma yi.
And no said this is your child. This is your second child.
What do you mean? Me, my second child.
Nick, is this true? Like, what's going on here? Babe, what's going on here? Why are you panicking?
Look, girlfriend, I'm really sorry. You know, Nick here is my ex-boyfriend.
What? Nick?
You know, Nick is the father of my child.
Nick, do you have a child?
Oh, sweetie, I'm so sorry.
Hold it there. So you actually got close to me so you can get access to my man, right?
Look,
Is that what you did?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
I still love him.
I don't want to hear anything from you. I think you both look good together. And thank you very much for what you did to me.
I'm sorry.
Remember, you were a woman. Excuse me. Mami, eu caio, isso mentiu.
Ade.
Mami, o caio, isso mentiu.
Me cafaie, me cadê?
Madame Fono.
Madame for bem.
Madame Fono, me cacho, só vai te na mencheno.
Madame for bem, na o
Mami, dia me cacho na.
Me casa be fa unya no kwana wo si Madame for bem na o chen.
Ono a.
Ei.
Mami, onim says I'm Madame Fono. Hey, me kunumtuna.
Hey!
On any crowd about Mami.
Hey!
And I was saying, say Amano. So this is their second child.
Hey, sister.
Yes.
I do any so.
Sister,
Yeah, no. I do any so. I feel it. But enough. Oh, so be man here on my day. When I got to 2 years, I feel the way you pass here. If you are doing so, agye w'ani so.
Papa me go see you, mommy.
Adamfo sɛm no aboa wo. Wo nua ketewa wie school. Sifa no kɔ. Ɔbɛtena wo gyene page mama no ma ne yɛ. Si Debbie, adamfo. Afei de agye w'ani so.
Mommy, Papa nanka me yo. Papa
Ben. Papa Ben, why when you why we are, why Papa? Papa Ben, why on what day? In Santa Tribaco cry and GB. I do it so.
a downfall. It's what? Such is life. We learn from it.